In this video, we unveil a revolutionary motorcycle and scooter chip tuning that promises to completely transform your riding experience. Get ready to see your vehicle in a new light, with enhanced performance that will leave you speechless. At the core of this cutting-edge technology lies a device that prioritizes user convenience, integrating a simple on-off switch and a precision adjustment screw for fine-tuning your ride's performance profile. This chip tuning is meticulously engineered to enhance both power and torque across the engine's range, leading to a noticeably smoother and more immediate response upon acceleration. By offering customizable settings, it allows riders to tailor their vehicle's output to match their preferred driving style or the demands of different riding conditions, ensuring an optimal balance between performance and control. This advanced approach to vehicle tuning opens up a new realm of possibilities for enthusiasts seeking to maximize their motorcycle or scooter's potential, delivering a ride experience that is both exhilarating and uniquely theirs. Installing the chip tuning is surprisingly simple. With the provided cables, just connect it to the two wires of your vehicle's IAT sensor. Following the guide included in the package, you'll be up and running in minutes, with no need for special tools or garage visits. After installation, the improvement is immediate. The bike accelerates with vigor, showing a clear difference in performance. This chip tuning not only enhanced my vehicle, but also made riding more enjoyable and thrilling. I highly recommend it to those looking to get the most out of their motorcycle or scooter without compromising on safety or reliability.